Mr. Tony is removing one of the bearings. This is a gripper diff for our Atlas axle.
Another way of softness.
Right. So Tony's trying on different shims. There's no shim. Yeah, there is. There we go. I'm leaving it there, man. Trying different shims to try and get the right lash.
Well, I've measured it.
Yeah.
I've worked it out. I'm having to move it to get the lash right. I'm having to move it over towards the one way of it. So I've worked out how much we've got to take out, how much we've got to put in, and I've worked the difference out between the two to get the lash. But until you talk it in, it changes.
Yeah. 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 This is the tool for the job, guys.
That is the tool for the job.
Yeah, there's a few different sizes of these, and none of them worked except for this badass here, which Mr. Tony has sourced from one of his friends in Cradley Heath. This is Speedway Garage.
Speedway Garage.
So if you're ever trying to take bearings off a diff like this, it'll either do the other side, which is the hardest side, yeah? The other side's the hardest side, isn't it?
They're both the same.
They're both the same, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need one of these. What is it called?
A bad boy?
A bad boy, yeah. One of these bad boys. Nothing else will work. Well, at least from what we've used. So you put your other shim in now, yeah?
Yeah, put your shim in. Now I'm putting it back on.
Now you're banging. Putting the bearing in is easy. Getting it out is not. Got home. That sounded like it got home.
We're going to look into the karaoke one. Alright, I'm going to better get back to this. Alright, let's take these two. Go.
Watch your fingers, my man.
Sorry, John.
Oh, you've put blue on it?
First run round to get my measurements.
Do you want to hand me that?
Yeah, I'm trying to get them.
Watch out, because I'm looking at the camera, I'm not looking at what I'm doing. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Why not going on nice?
I don't know.
We've got the right area on.
Is it the right is it the old cap, isn't it? Lift it up, there we go. Yours has come out now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Mine's in. You got too much on, do you reckon?
No, because it's got to have no back, no.
Oh, mate, that went in a treat.
That's what I'm after, see. No travel that way. I was getting float and all sorts.
Is that float? Was that float?
That's what I want. But that changes when you put these on. Now these.
You got the right ones in, yeah?
Well,
the right direction.
Well, look, it says on that was the stamp number 2. This is number 1.
What, you're putting number 1 in stamp number 2?
I've looked through the book and it says they go that way.
Okay.
So, I'm ignoring the stamps and going on the book.
What are the chances of this working and lasting?
Huh?
Quite tall. Are the chances?
It takes a chance.
It's okay. Mr. Tony, what's that thing there?
Well, that's a dial gauge.
Oh, have you used it?
Yeah, trying it. I had to hold it because I couldn't find the magnet set up or nothing. I couldn't find anything.
What's the torque range on these bad boys?
45 to 50.
Do you need a torque range?
Pounds, yeah.
Do you want one?
Yeah, it's in the bottom drawer.
What size socket, is it?
I've got it here.
16 or something.
Oh, I've got it. So it's just
Okay.
the baby to talk ring.
Right. And again. I was holding my breath for you there, man. I don't know why.
Huh?
I was holding my breath as though, you know, I was putting effort into it.
Is it?
Does it spin? Oh, it spins, man. Think it's too much still? Lash.
I've got now travel that way. I've got that right.
Okay. What you mean that thing's right, yeah?
Yeah. Now we need to measure the lash. That.
Magnetic
Do
indicator.
something to fasten on there to get that there.
Just hold it with your hand, man. It's all right.
Well, that's what I've been doing to guess it.
Do you want a magnetic indicator?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get one of them.
Point 14, point 15. It's going down to 0.1, look, and
Yeah.
up to 16.
So that's 17 then, isn't it?
No,
It's toward, yeah.
that's 15. Look, put it down there, look, and zero it. See, look, it's that sensitive. Oh, 0. See, every time I touch it, so accurate, 0.1, yeah?
Mhm.
Full that way, 0.1. 0.15. 0.1. 0.15. So that's about, so we're at the bottom end of it, that's bang on.
Oh, I've just cocked it up.
Put it right. Put that on, look. Full the way back that way.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. You want to make sure that the thing's completely off. Yeah?
I'm zeroing.
Ah,
But every time I touch it, look, it's that sensitive.
yeah. That's good.
0.1, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
0.17, 18, 0.3.
Yeah, but come off it. I mean, push it away from it.
I am. This is the treble.
It needs to go to at least -1, doesn't it? Because that's what you were, weren't you?
No, but it moves. Look. This is the backlash.
Ah,
I'm running it now, look. So I'm at 0.2 to 0.18, so that's like
okay,
16.
16, which is the top end. Yeah? So here it says 0.13 to 0.18. So we're all right, mate. See, I told you we'd want to measure it twice, man, so you don't have to do it again. Are we on the money with it?
that's on the money. It's within the spectrum. It's got to be the off to go in. Now we'll clean it up and do another bluey test.
Well done, Mr. Tony. You like that tool?
This is the bollocks. I'll put that away after.
I'll put it away, man. So we're going to do the bluey test.
Yeah. You can see where. Well, get all the blue off that I've put on before.
Mm-hmm. Do you want some WD-40 or something?
Wash it all off, yeah.
Yeah? Can you make any sense of it?
Yeah, see it, look. See where I'm travelling. See where it's working around. See where it's travelling, look.
What about if I'm reversing, man? Will it just go the other way when I'm reversing?
Yeah, yeah. Just get the blue round.
What's it telling you?
Oh, look at that. It's a nice even coat, eh? Look. There we are. Look, full strike of the tooth. Look.
On one tooth, yeah, but not the other ones.
Well, it will be when if the butter works all its way around. It won't change from it. All right, look, see, it's working. It's on them ones. Look.
I don't know, dude. I'm just taking your word for it.
See it, look.
You happy with that?
Yeah, that's a full mesh.
We were after full mesh, weren't we?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, man. These little tubs are awful to open. Messy as hell. I'm not going to buy them in that stuff again. I'm going to look for like a toothpaste tub or something.
See the full coating? Full, see how we've got blue from end to end. After I've wiped it off, look.
Yeah.
So it's...
It's towards the top though, isn't it?
No, it's also down the bottom as well.
It is.
Yeah, look, it's right down the bottom there, look. Right down the bottom. You know what I mean? Look, right down the bottom. So that's king, that is.
That's king?
Yeah. And if you look on this side, look, on the back travel, look at
Ooh.
that. You see? See on?
Yeah, it does look...
See that, look?
Yeah. Good.
Look, you can't argue with that, can you? Look. You know what I mean?
Okay. You happy with that then?
I'm happy with that.
That's assembled then?
That's ready to go. But the bolts want to come out, some Loctite go back on and be torqued back up.
Loctite?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to do that?
Thread lock on each one. But don't back one off at a time.
Can we do it while you're here today? If I get the thread lock and we do it together?
Yeah, because if them come out, it's game over, eh?
Yeah. We won't get full mesh anymore.
I'm happy with that.
We'll get full mesh. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thumbs up, Mr. Tony. A lot of people are going to be happy to see that Kate's differential has had the once over by Mr. Tony Stovey Smith.
Yeah, stove installations and div repairs.
He'll put your stove in the morning and then he'll fix your diff in the afternoon.
Yeah. We keep all these bits.
Yeah.
I mean, because of the pull out, we ain't ripped none of the bearings, so I don't know whether you know what I mean? We ain't used it.
Spare bearing.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, man.
No problem, man.
Tom, what's that? Oh, we must have cracked it when we were hitting it on the floor. It's okay. It's only the fucking powder coating. Yeah?
Nice.
It's a good thing we worked out which was top and which was bottom, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We're getting there. We're getting there. What is that? Is that cracked powder coating, is it?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, man.
Touch it with that paint there.
I won't even bother, mate. Not at all.